If you're searching for the best router table to improve accuracy, safety, and overall woodworking results, you're in the right place. In this video, we've rounded up the best router tables for every budget and workshop, from compact benchtop models to heavy-duty professional options. We'll compare their key features, performance, durability, and value so you can choose the perfect one for your projects. Be sure to check the product links in the description box below for pricing and more details. Number 1 is the Jet 73 7000 CK router table, featuring a heavy-duty 32 by 24 inches cast iron surface that delivers rock-solid stability during every cut. Adjustments happen right from above the table thanks to the precision-engineered router lift, simplifying bit swaps and height tuning considerably. Its fence system impresses too, offering fine-tuned micro-adjustments, featherboard support, and a handy flip stop for consistent, controlled cuts. Dust management is another strong point, with an enclosed collection box and a port built into the fence to minimize mess. A built-in mobile base makes relocating this substantial unit around the shop far easier than expected. Though pricier than many alternatives, its craftsmanship, durability, and versatility make it a standout, near-complete package for serious woodworkers. Number 2 is Bosch's only benchtop offering, the RA1181 router table, and it more than holds its own. Its generously sized aluminum surface provides a stable foundation for precise routing, while the sturdy, pre-drilled mounting plate accommodates most router brands with ease. The fence, equipped with adjustable MDF faces, gives workpieces reliable backing during cuts. Dust management stays simple through a built-in dust port that fits standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, and 2 adjustable featherboards help guard against kickback while improving control. Convenience comes from dual power outlets, plus a front-facing switch with a safety lock. Despite occasional complaints about wobble, this table's accuracy, durability, and user-friendly design keep it ranked among the best benchtop options available. Number 3 is the Kreg PRS 2100 router table, a space-saving yet powerful option that fits the bill for hobbyists and professionals alike. It condenses full-scale performance into a portable, user-friendly frame, while its independent sliding faces on its anodized aluminum fence provide added flexibility and precise control during routing. Measuring 16 by 24 inches, the reinforced MDF top holds up well over time, and its easy-slide micro-dot coating helps materials glide smoothly across the surface. A sturdy steel stand keeps things grounded, and rubber feet cut down on vibration and noise. Setup is quick, too, with bottom-up insert plate levelers that make dialing in bit height simple. On the job site or in the shop, the PRS 2100 offers professional results without the steep cost. Number 4 is the WoodRiver 50680 router table, a compact option that doesn't compromise on performance. Designed for woodworkers short on space but not on standards, it features a durable 24 by 16-inch laminate top for a smooth work surface, while the insert plate's 2 inches opening easily accommodates a variety of routing tasks. The L-shaped aluminum fence, 24 by 2 1/4 inches, uses adjustable faceplates and melamine-coated MDF inserts for dependable, precise guidance. A 22 by 14-inch cabinet below adds stability, plus storage behind magnetically latched doors. Dust control shines through matching 2 1/4-inch ports on fence and cabinet, fitting standard shop vacs. Assembly instructions draw some criticism, but once built, the table runs smoothly, making it a compact, practical choice for smaller workshops. Number 5 is the Bosch RA1141 router table, a practical alternative for those who don't need the heft of Bosch's larger models. This portable benchtop unit features folding legs, making it easy to set up, transport, and store when not in use. Bit changes are hassle-free thanks to the easy-click mounting system, which skips the need for manual leveling, ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Despite its smaller footprint, performance doesn't suffer. The laminated MDF top ensures a stable, even cutting surface, while the tall fence and dual featherboards keep workpieces well guided. Built-in storage keeps accessories handy, and the included starter pen and guard simplify curved cuts. Arriving pre-assembled, The RA1141 is a straightforward, budget-friendly option for anyone wanting dependable routing without extra fuss. Number 6 is the SKIL SRT1039 router table, a standout in SKIL's Benchtop lineup thanks to its practical, well-thought-out design. Its above-the-table router lift makes swapping bits and dialing in adjustments fast and straightforward. The 24-inch aluminum fence, fitted with adjustable MDF faceplates, comfortably accommodates taller workpieces. While not the biggest table around, it offers ample room for most routing tasks. A handy touch is the dual-sided bit storage, keeping accessories organized and easy to grab. 2 included featherboards boost both safety and cutting precision. Build quality punches above its price point, with a solid frame and a smooth laminated MDF surface. A few users mentioned dust collection placement could be better, but overall, this table delivers strong value, hard to top for an affordable, well-equipped benchtop option. That wraps up our list of the best router tables available today. We hope this guide helped you find the right table for your woodworking needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. If you have any questions or a favorite router table, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more information and the latest prices.